Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Anneliese from Barbie as the princess and the Popper in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it like this for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the toggle, you can choose back and remove the flower. And you're going to put on this heels and make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then you're going to put on this crown from the VIP room. You can color it like this for the base and for the diamonds. And then you're going to put on this corset, this one. And then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, fourth selection, and fifth selection. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and the necklace, you're going to put on this one and then you're going to color it with this color and make it glitter. Okay, this is from the VIP room guys, but if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another necklace. And also for the crown, you can replace it with another crown. And then I'm going to put on the skirt. And for the color, you're going to make it this color. Okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. And then we're going to change the material to glitter. Alright, and I'm going to put on this dress. For this dress, we can select only skirt. And again, we're going to apply this pink color for the first selection until the third selection. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and sorry for my glitter guys. Sometimes the glitter can't appear. And I'm going to put on this dress, but I'm just going to choose the only sleeves and make it this color for the first selection and this color for this color for next selection. And then we're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot to show you the color code. This is the color code for the skirt. And then I'm going to move to the changing room. Oops, before it I'm going to put on this butterfly. And then I'm going to color it with this pink color. Okay, and I'm going to continue. We're going to go to the changing room. And from this changing room, I'm going to choose this skirt from the Withered Rose set. And select only skirt. And we're going to make it this color, the same pink color I have applied before. And then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on the skirt. I'm going to remove the layer. And I'm going to apply this color, oops, this one, and then make it glitter. And then I'm going to go to the VIP room and put on this cape. Okay, if you don't have VIP, you can skip this item. I'm going to choose only cape light air, and for the color, I'm going to make it this color. This is for the color code, and I'm going to make it glitter. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Alright, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Anneliese in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!